how much we made on our YouTube channel in April 2022. These are fun videos to make for you guys because I really enjoy sharing the data from our channel and how much we're making, so it can inspire you to get excited and see the opportunities of how much you can actually make on YouTube. So let's jump into my YouTube channel and have a look at the numbers. So in April we got 69,000 views, which is about 8,500 less than we normally do. So our views are actually down for the month, which isn't a great thing and it doesn't feel very good, but I want you to keep in mind what really counts is how much we're making on the channel, and we actually made more money with less views. So we'll get into those details a little bit later. Let's have a look at our watch time for April. Our watch time for April was 1.5 thousand hours, which is 235 hours less than normal. Our subscribers was at 266 new subscribers. And I want to thank you guys for watching my videos and subscribing to the YouTube channel. I really appreciate you guys, and I really want to help you grow your YouTube channel. So if there are any specific videos you want me to create for you to help you grow your YouTube channel, or any specific questions you want to ask me, let me know in the comment section down below and I'll create a video specifically for you, because I really want you to grow your YouTube channel and I really want you to start making money with YouTube, because it's super exciting and it's a great way to make money online. Now let's get into the fun part. Let's have a look at our revenue. So our revenue is up to $704, and the month before we were at about $500. So that's a nice big jump. It's about $200 up from last month. So wow, let's dig into the numbers. Why are we earning more revenue, so that we can understand it better and we can create more videos that are going to earn us more money for the YouTube channel, because that's what we're all about. We want to be able to grow the revenue on our channel so that it can enable us to pursue the projects that we want to with this channel. So YouTube gives us these amazing tips inside of our analytics, which we can dig into to understand the numbers better. So we got more revenue from better paying ads. So that means advertisers are actually paying us more per advert that is shown on our videos. Let's have a look. So the cost per 1,000 ads shown is at $20, and it's normally between 10 and 12. That's a massive jump up to $20, which is really exciting for the channel because it means we can earn more when we get less views. So it's not great getting less views this month, but as soon as we get a few more videos to kick and they get more views, we're still going to be earning a higher cost per click, which means we're going to make more money when we get those views rolling in. So the revenue from ads went up to $703, and this is really cool. Let's dig into that revenue a little bit more to see where it's actually coming from. Which of our videos are our top performing videos and which ones have made the most for us. So our top earning videos is our how to verify your YouTube account, how to change the email on your YouTube account, our Photoshop tutorials, and how to find your YouTube channel URL. 94% of our ad revenue comes from skippable video ads. We prefer these because we don't want you guys to get irritated if you can't skip an ad. So those are the ones we prefer to have on our videos. And then if we look back month to month, December we made 486, January 434, February 456, March 497, and April, our amazing month, $704. So what I want you to take out of this is you don't always have to focus on getting more views. There are different ways of increasing your revenue, and there are different opportunities to make more money on your YouTube channel. If you're excited about making more revenue on your YouTube channel, let me know by hitting that like button. And don't forget to leave us a comment with how your YouTube channel is going and if there are any videos you want us to create specifically for you. Thanks so much for watching our videos and being a part of this amazing community. You can get started with our next video right now.